They made me run. But, you want to know the truth? I have always tried to do what I thought was right. Because those couple parents from Union Pleasant.
You're telling me that firing the superintendent and hiring Jim Trustman is right? Are you kidding me?
Okay, you weren't at that meeting, so clearly you might want to watch the video.
I don't need to be at that meeting. I don't need to be at that meeting. You're not supposed to operate a school district without a superintendent, number one. And you fire the guy without even having an interim in place. You hired Jim Trustman. I looked at his resume. I know Jim. He's a nice man. He's not even close to being qualified for that job. Not even close. He's going to get the district's ass suit on because he doesn't know what he's doing. If you guys wanted to hire an attorney, I told Dave Yovine and I told Laura Heater, if you want to change lawyers, you should talk to me. I don't want the job, but I'll help you find somebody. Instead, your mom works with Tresman's wife, and I guess that's the only qualification that's needed. She's my friend, her husband's a lawyer, let's give him $110,000 a year. When the district, all the nonsense started with your mom and Martha and Lindsay with their lawsuits, before that, the district never spent over $100,000 a year on attorney fees. But we're going to spend $110 on this guy, and he isn't even equipped to do litigation. He can't do litigation.
Okay, well, Dan, you were not at that meeting. I spoke. I argued. Okay?
Yeah, but you voted for it in the end.
I don't think I did. It was Laura, Dave, Sally, and Catherine.
Oh, I got the minutes.
Hold on, pull them up. I don't even remember. I don't remember that, but.
And I might be wrong too. If I am, I apologize. But I don't have it at the tip of my fingers right now.
My vote didn't matter anyway, regardless. Okay. But we're not talking about Jim. You know, I mean, that's not. We're not talking about Tresman Law, Jim Tresman, the law firm, whether they're qualified or not. You know, I said my piece. I said my piece in an open meeting. I was voted, you know, I was shut down. End of story. And what are you going to do then? There's nothing you can do then.
Someone needs to do another resolution to revote to get rid of Tresman and hire a competent legal counsel.
How do we know he's not competent, though? Actually,
He's never done it before.
okay.
Ask him how many depositions he's taken in a litigation case. Ask him how many times he's done a jury trial. Ask him how many times he's questioned a witness in a civil case in front of a judge. He does family court, law guardian work, and assigned criminal work. That's what he does. You know from working in law firms, you just don't jump into shit.
That's why I didn't. That's why I tried not to.
Huh?
But, listen, that's why I tried not to. Dave called the question. No, Dave called the question.
Dave acts with emotion without thinking. I mean, you know, it jumps in and automatically without getting all the facts. Oh, let's stop the lawsuit. Let's stop the lawsuit. He keeps talking about lawsuits. There's only one lawsuit. The only lawsuits that we can't stop are the one where the district is being sued or whatever you call it, proceedings against them by Martha, your mother. The Lindsay stuff's done.
No. Lindsay went to arbitration, which is, listen, okay. You can say what you want about anybody, but when you start talking about my sister, I'm just going to explain something. As a employee's right, and you should know this because your partner is a gifted labor attorney. He's actually representing a friend of mine. And do you know how hard that is when I'm at a wake. I'm at a wake, I'm at a funeral, and I'm talking to one of the physicians that work for us. And Andy represents him. He actually won a case in federal court for him. And I can't even tell him my name, He's like, oh, what do you think? What do you, Regardless, okay? The bottom line is that you're bringing up my sister. My sister went to...
I'm
Oh.
just bringing up the fact that she was responsible for a lot of litigation fees.
She didn't sue anybody. She didn't sue anybody. She went to arbitration, Dan. Okay? That's and how I brought up your partner.
It cost my memory cost the district like $25,000.
No, 125.
Oh yeah, I'm wrong.
Over 100.
Because she got fired.
Wait, and that's her right as a okay, and I have no problem with that. Okay, I have no problem.
You guys should have said that during the campaign. They should have said.
I wasn't campaigning.
That $250,000 we spent in 2010. I'm sorry, but 125 of that was for Lindsay Stevenson. It wasn't for the lawsuit. That's not how they portray it.
Okay.
They misrepresented that to the public.
I don't know how they ran their campaign. I wasn't involved in that. Okay. I